Hello friends, we're going to be looking at subtraction today through the strategy called adding up. I actually like to use adding up on a number line. So imagine if I said 54 lose 27. Well, if we were to put that on a number line, we have 27 and the bigger number is 54. Remember, the larger number goes to the right of the number line because you go from 0 up to whatever the number is. So if I thought about it, well, how am I going to get from 27 to 54? Well, if I add up, let me keep it with friendly numbers. So 27 plus 3 gets me to 30. 30 plus 24 gets me to 54. So then 3 plus 24, so then we know 54 minus 27 is 27. Okay, let's look at it with another problem. So let's say we had 242. Let's say we're subtracting from that 126. Again, adding up. Well, if we put this on a number line, so 126 is smaller. We're adding up to 242. So I say, well, wait a second. If I'm moving from 126, well, let's say I went up to 150. So that'd be plus 24. Then if I went from 150 to 200, that'd be plus 50. Then from 200 to 242, that'd be plus 42. So I come back and add them up. Well, 24 and 42 is 66. And 66 plus 50 would be 116. So when I add all these up, I'm left with 116. So in other words, when I subtract 242 lose 126, I get an answer of 116. So again, I hope this helps you as you continue to play around with subtraction, and this will be something we'll continue to work on. So if you have any questions, please ask.